Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. At this point you are at Station B, which is the To Persuade article revision site. So what I need you to do is read over your partner's persuasive articles. This should be the third article in their project. Is there an introduction? Is there a thesis statement? So remember, it should be a sentence that says, I feel this way because, and then list 3 points. Are there 3 body paragraphs, so 3 central paragraphs that mimic the 3 things that they put in their thesis statement? Do they use ethos, pathos, and logos? Remember, ethos is that appeal to the authority and success and good nature. Pathos is an appeal to emotions, something that makes you feel like it's heartfelt or makes you happy or makes you sad. And then logos. Logos is that appeal using logic and factual information, data, and statistics. Do they use quotes from their sources? So either they are using direct quotes or they're using statistics that should be cited from their resource material. Do they paraphrase information from the sources? Remember, paraphrasing, although it is in our own word, is not our original idea, so we still need to cite that information that we got it from somewhere else. Do they cite the information used? So remember, they should have citations, the full citation at the bottom of their project, and they should have in-text citations, which is the last name of their author. Alrighty, after you are done reading through that, make sure that they have good grammar structure and that everything looks solid for their persuasive article. Alright guys, I will talk to you later. Bye.